Did you know that the U.S. Department of Energy says that 1/4 of Americans have too much stuff in their garage that they can't even use it? Is that like your home? I really hope not. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your garage like a professional so that you can actually park your cars in your garage and keep it that way. With any organizing project, the first thing you need to do is empty the entire space. Once the space is emptied, you need to create zones. This space is all about gardening supplies. By storing all your gardening supplies together, you can easily find what you need and you aren't buying multiples of items. Using pegboards is an easy option to keep things off the ground. Hang what you need, label where it goes, and make sure you have enough room for the car or other things to get through. Use shelves or cabinets to store items. Give each cabinet or shelf its own purpose. For example, store all car care equipment on one shelf or in one cabinet. This way you can find everything that you need. Keep kids' bikes together by creating a parking lot. Store, hang their helmets, and hang those pesky scooters so they aren't falling all over your garage. Keep all sports and toys together. Use something like the Gladiator system found at Home Depot or Lowe's, and use the baskets to store balls and sporting equipment. Or find a tall sports holder that can hold all of the baseball bats and hockey sticks. You can also create ball storage by using a cabinet or wooden crate. Drill holes, attach bungees, and you just made a ball holder. Store outdoor toys like chalk and bubbles in the plastic shoe containers. Keep ladders and other yard equipment off the ground by using hooks and hanging them up high. Keep your bag set together by using one large industrial hook. Hang it up so that you have ample room underneath. Station for all of your outdoor tools that need batteries. I created organizing design plans just for you to help you get your garage organized. Grab your copy now while they're available.